Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to have you guys back. In today's video, I will be showing you this highly anticipated, fancy, unique, elegant DIY table numbers. You do not want to miss out on how I put together this amazing masterpiece. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to share this video with a friend. Also, don't forget to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, where you can explore our guide to learn how I build YouTube, guides for Amazon, Facebook, Etsy, DIYs, how to market your business and brands online, and more. Every month, we add a new guide to help you grow your business. You can preview the videos of the guides. Check the Academy link in the description to join for free. I'm going to start off by spray painting my oval wooden frame. You want to be sure that you spray paint both the back and the front of your frames. Once you're done spray painting it, you want to let it dry for about an hour. Hey guys, I'm in front of my screen here. I just wanted to briefly show you guys on the font style and the font size that I use. The font style that I use is the Edwardian script. I believe that's how you say it. Once you're done choosing the font style that you want, you go ahead and choose the font size. So the font size that I use is between 350, or you could use font size 400 as well. So that option is completely up to you. The key thing is to make sure that your number fit into the oval frame. That's all that matters. Once you're done, you're printing out and then you proceed on to the next step. Next, I'm going to take my Plexiglass sheet and remove the plastic wrapping on it. Once you have decided on the size of the number that you want to use, you're going to go ahead and take your Plexiglass sheet and put it on top of the paper printout. Then you're going to go ahead and take your oval frame, put it on top of the Plexiglass sheet. You want to make sure that you center it correctly so that your number is directly in the center of your Plexiglass sheet when you are going to go ahead and trace it over. You're going to take your paint pen and give it a good old shake, and I'm talking about shake it for a good minute before you start writing. Now you want to make sure that you take your time to trace the number onto the Plexiglass sheet, especially if you're trying to get your number to come out looking beautiful and perfect. I happen to find this process so easy to do, but there are so many different ways you can add your number onto your Plexiglass sheet. If you have a machine that could print numbers on acrylic, you can also use that. You can also use cutouts from your Cricut machine. You could use stickers. The endless amount of things you can do to put your number into the Plexiglass sheet is amazing. So I say get creative with it. In between drawing, you want to make sure that you shake your pen. Once you're done tracing your number onto the Plexi sheet, you're going to let it dry for a little bit, and then you're going to retrace it on top again to make sure that you fill it in where you can see your number clearly. Now I'm just checking to make sure that my oval wooden frame is nicely centered and the number is nicely centered in the middle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take my go-to glue. That is the glue that I use to put all my frames onto the Plexi sheet. It works really well. It's clear, it's transparent, it's an amazing glue to use. Little bit of glue that's about the size of a mustard seed. While I'm waiting for the frames to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take this DIY flower bowl that I created with using just Dollar Tree item. Cost me about $3 to make. I saw a similar bowl online retail for $50. Now my first initial reaction was Dollar Tree. I was like, let me hit up Dollar Tree real quick, let me see what I can find. And I so happened to find the exact same type of items to put together this flower bowl. What do you guys think? Comment your thoughts in the comment section below. This is the stand that you're going to be using for your table number sign to stand on. Okay, so this is definitely sold separately. I will put the link in the description box below on where you can purchase this. It's acrylic, just like your table number, that's acrylic. So that's the beauty about it. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at the table number to see if it's fully dry. I let it dry for about 30 minutes. So here you go. Go ahead and remove the plastic that's on the other side of your Plexi sheet. The other table numbers that you have been seeing is in silver, and I decided that I wanted to do these in gold. I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one, and actually it looks like glass, of course. Just look how amazing that looks. The gold one looks absolutely stunning. So look at the glue in the back. I wanted to show you guys that you can't really see it. It's completely transparent. That glue is absolutely amazing, and it will hold for however long you want it to hold, you know, because I still have my other frames that I did like about 3 months ago, and the frames are still attached on, and it's not gonna go nowhere. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take your clear acrylic stand, and you're just gonna have it stand on your clear acrylic stand like that, and that will be all. Amazing thing about these table numbers is the fact that you can actually sell them. Yes, you can sell them, guys. This would definitely be a hot ticket item that you can actually sell, but you can also sell it on a website that is called Etsy, okay? Etsy is a site that you can actually buy from, and you can actually sell handmade items or vintage items that you have either created or that you have. And then the amazing thing is, in the Elegant Creators Academy, I will show you how you can go ahead and build your Etsy store and gain clients and get sales. So definitely check it out. The link will be in the description box underneath the video if you want to join my Elegant Creators Academy for free, you guys. Let me know in the comment section If you will be trying this at home, what do you guys think of the outcome of these table numbers? Do you like it? You can design them and create them in any color scheme that you like. So have fun with it. It's super easy to do. I truly appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my next video, and I will do my best to try to see if I can, upload a video every week. Don't quote me on that, but I will do my best on that. So I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it.